What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today, man. It is finally time to get that brown thing situated. I've been like procrastinating. Not even that, man. To be real with you, I've never switched out of interferent on like the newer road glides, man. So it's just a bit intimidating, but today we're going to get that thing situated, man. We've been waiting for the sliders to come back. They should be done today. So about time we get this interferent off and get the other one situated, we should be going to pick up those sliders to be putting that thing right on there and getting this like front end tidied up today, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get right into it now, shall we? Alrighty, guys, here we have it. We got the inner and outer fairing off. Actually looks really good, looking like a Road King like this. We can keep this thing just like this and have a Road King. Looks good. So we got to switch this slider out before we put it back on, of course. Shouldn't be that difficult, but definitely something to work on. Looks good though so far. What y'all think, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. We got our inner and outer here. So it's time to pretty much get this thing in motion, start getting it together. But yeah, y'all see it here first, man. Alrighty, guys, so finally got that inner fairing together for the most part. Looks really good. Just gotta add the speakers and covers and pods and stuff like that, but no big deal there. So this should be coming together real soon. We could actually put that back on there. However, we need this fork slider, man. So I think we gotta go head up to 6651 and go scoop those things up real quick. So now I was gonna start putting this back together. However, we can't really put that on there without getting those sliders switched out first. So we're gonna put it together on here. However, our whole little pod on the side that was hit is like broken. So we gotta pretty much get the whole like right side, like the little pods and stuff like that, so we can be good to go. So in the meantime, I think I'm gonna pop off this front wheel, pop off this fork, and just get this thing ready. So when we do come back, we can slide that thing, pop it right back on, and at least get this fairing put on there so we can start getting the other little stuff situated, because we can put all that stuff on after that's on there. So no big deal, we'll get it going though. All right, so we got our fork leg off, got our slider here off. So now we can go pick up the other set, get those things put on, start getting this front end back together. Alrighty, guys, we just pulled up to Harley. Let's go get what we need to get, or at least see what they got. If they got what we need, and we'll get up out of here quick and fast. Just pulled up to BBV. They done switched it all up in here, man. They got bikes and everything. They done hooked us up with some grips for our Road King, so Time to get that thing situated. Alrighty guys, just pulled up to 6651. Got our powder coated pieces, cup, sliders, brake. Time to hit the house and get this thing, and get this front end on here. Alrighty man, so back at Harley. Unfortunately, D&D did hit us up. They are on back order with the Billy Cats for like 12 weeks. I can't wait 12 weeks. So we back up here about to get the Road Rage 2-in-1 Bassani pipes for our 2020, man. Let's get up in here and get that thing. Alrighty guys, we got our Bassani and we saved a couple $100, man. So let's slide. Just made it back to the house. We got our sliders here along with our brake. And then we do have our new Bassani pipe. Here we're gonna open this up and check it out. But first, let's get this front end tidy back up now, shall we? Alright, so we got the sliders on there, got the wheel back on there, ready to go. Now it's time to get her all situated with this front end again. Man, I ain't gonna even hold you. Putting on this interference was like the easiest one I've ever done. I ain't gonna even hold you. Definitely the easiest one I've ever done, man. Now we gotta get these wires connected. We can get this side pod and all that stuff situated. However, we're waiting in the mail for that side because that side is broken. But we'll get it to the point where it looks good enough so you probably wouldn't even notice it. But let's continue to work and we'll be good to go in a second. Alrighty guys, we have got the front end pretty much figured out. Slowly but surely now we can just literally throw that outer fairing on there and start getting these turn signals and everything situated. But it is here, guys. We'll get it together here shortly, but coming together better than I thought. What y'all think so far? Let your boy know in the comments below. Alrighty guys, so we got this thing, well, the front end figured out. Looking real good out in the sun. Definitely needs a wipe down. Now this freaking seat thing keep falling through, so I gotta wait till we're completely done to get that thing pretty much in there, so you won't have to like charge the battery or take off the seat or nothing like that for a long time. So no big deal, but we did get this inner fairing switched out. We're missing a grill here, and our door covers are getting repainted, so waiting on those. But the inner, everything is working. Everything is working here, so that's a plus. That's a plus. I'm digging that. Now we finally get to see what it looks like with this outer fairing on. Does look real good. Real good. Now we're going to go pick up our rims for this bike tomorrow. We did get our brake in today and our exhaust, so we can check out our exhaust right now. We got some Bassani pipes over there, so this exhaust will be coming off, and we'll be getting it together, man. So stay tuned. What y'all think so far, man? Then I did unwrap the fender just so we can see that thing like a bit more complete at least. I don't really care for it with this fender and this small wheel. Overall, man, pretty decent color, pretty decent bike. Can't wait. About to bring this thing to life slowly but surely. Y'all see it here first. Waiting for the wheels, getting the wheels put on tomorrow along with the exhaust, and we'll get the brakes and stuff figured out after that. But this thing should be done this week, man. So if y'all haven't, man, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely appreciate it. And then we actually got it wiped down a little bit. I'm gonna turn it around because the other side actually looks better. But I wanna see if we can get a start up on this thing. I know the exhaust is a little bit dented in right there, but we won't keep it on for long. So see if we can get, thing is totally dead. Probably gonna have to swap out that battery one more again, go get a new one. But y'all see it here first. Y'all see it here first. Here we do have it from the other side. I think it looks better on this side just because we don't have that beat up air breather in the way. You guys can see it and get the idea a little bit better. Freaking hot as heck out here, but it is looking good. That thing looks amazing in the sun. What do you guys think about it, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. Oh, I'm excited. And then now that we got that one all situated, whew, it looks actually really great from this side. Now that I'm looking at it, we can get our Road King pulled out and ready to go. We are going to get our bars switched out on this one tomorrow. So I have to load this thing up because we are going to the city and we are going to pick up these wheels tomorrow. So going to get this one loaded up closer to the garage and get this one parked, because once we come back, we'll be putting the wheels on this one, finishing this bike off, and then hopping back on this one since the rest of the bikes are done, man. So stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, we got the road glides put up. Probably get a first start on this thing. It ain't been started in a while. Let's see if we got some action. Yes, sir. Let that thing run for a minute. Probably need to go get some little gas or something, but I'll let the battery charge up for just a second. Probably take it around the complex or something real quick. But it's running. It's here, dog. Can't wait, man. What y'all think? Let your boy know in the comments below, dog. And we did crack open our pipes. So here are our Basanis. 2 into 1. Go to slip on half of it. Can't wait. This thing gonna sound excellent, man. Yes, sir. So, alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. You guys seen the brown bike, my 2020 Road Glide is getting completed really quick, man. We got the inner and outer on there, so this bike is gonna come together way faster than ever. We are heading to the city tomorrow to pick up the wheels for it and the wheels for our Road King, which is our giveaway bike. So if you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2018 Road King here, head over to everythingsregular.com, copy you a camo hat. We got 2 different colors. Either one will gain you entry into that giveaway. Once all the hats are sold out, which we only have about 100 left of them, we will be putting the list up and you guys will know your numbers. So stay tuned for that and enter the giveaway. If you guys haven't entered already, we only literally got about 100 hats left. So enter before it's too late. In the meantime, we are taking the Road King to the city tomorrow to get those bars put on. So this thing will be pretty much completed tomorrow along with the wheels, man. So I can't wait. Stay tuned for that, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.